There are a few summer styling rules that I simply don't believe anymore. Things like all white outfits are always chic, neutral nude colors are elegant. I actually think the opposite can happen. So today, let me show you 4 summer pieces I personally stopped wearing and what I wear instead.
Be good, stay good.
So let's start with something that might sound a little controversial. Every summer I see women reaching for nude beige or brown pieces because they think nude automatically looks elegant, expensive, even a little quiet luxury, but I actually think the opposite can happen. Let me show you what I mean. The problem is not the nude color itself. Expensive looking outfits start with the fabric. The color comes second. So when you combine a skin-like nude shade with a thin, clingy jersey, it often creates what I call the absent look. It's almost like you forgot to put your pants on and just walked out of the house naked. Now listen, if that's the effect you were going for, hey, maybe you're perfectly happy being naked in the street, and I'm serious about that. But if that was not intentional, something about the outfit just feels a little off. Because instead of looking elevated, the fabric ends up looking flimsy. Instead of looking luxurious, everything kind of blends into the body, and that's exactly where the problem starts. Now, my example here is not perfect because this skirt is not exactly my skin tone, but I think you can still see what I mean. Everything kind of blends together, plus this type of fabric tends to reveal every little nuance of the body, as you can clearly see on me. And I'm not even talking about the fact that without some accessories, without texture or a focal point, the whole outfit starts to feel a bit flat and faceless. So here's how I'm fixing this. I swapped the skirt for a very similar silhouette, but this time it's made from a denser knit with the lining, and it's important, lining adds soft structure to the skirt, a beautiful textured pattern, and a soft sage color instead of a skin-like nude. And that's the difference. Instead of blending into my body, this skirt finally looks like an actual garment. It has texture, it has depth, it has its own identity. That's what makes the outfit feel more elevated. Next, I add my signature accessories, and it's not really about beaded necklaces, it's about bringing personality into the outfit through accessories and creating focal points. And now the outfit has texture, it has color, it has interest. I look like I actually got dressed, not like I forgot to put the skirt on. And here's the before and after. Again, maybe my before outfit is not the perfect example for this chapter, but I still think you get the idea. So the lesson here is not don't wear nude. I actually love nude shades. Just remember this, nude doesn't automatically create a luxurious look. Fabric, texture, and construction do. The color just simply supports them. And this amazing skirt, you've actually seen it before. It was part of the matching set I wore a few videos ago. And here's a great example of how you can keep wearing these pieces separately with basics you probably already own, like a simple white t-shirt. And yes, this skirt is from SelfWho. By now you guys know this brand really has become a long-time friend of both my channel and my wardrobe. I genuinely love their approach to design and quality. Their pieces always have those little interesting details that make even the simplest outfits feel more elevated and special without sacrificing comfort. And that's exactly why I keep reaching for them again and again. Their collections are beautifully made, incredibly versatile, and they mix so easily with the basics I already own. So if you'd like to check them out, as always, I'll leave all the links and my discount code down below. Moving on, summer mistake number 2, all white outfits are overrated. Another controversial statement, I know, but let me clarify. While I'm showing you some of my favorite all-white outfits that I think look absolutely gorgeous, let me explain what I mean. You've probably heard 1,000 times that an all-white outfit is the easiest way to create an elegant and chic look. And while I do love white in the summer, it's actually not about the color itself. White is not the magic ingredient. Let me show you these 3 looks. They are all white, right? But something is missing, and let me show you what. So in the first look, it's all about the details. Accessories and details are what make this outfit shine. Without them, well, it's just clothes. And number 2 here, it's the lack of shape. Sometimes changing just the proportions and giving an outfit a little more structure, more architecture-like feel is enough to completely transform it. Same idea, but now we have the magic of shape. In the third example, maybe introducing just a little bit of color can take the outfit to a completely different level. And there it is. Suddenly the look feels much more interesting and chic, right? So all white outfits are not overrated because white is bad. They are overrated because people expect the color itself to do all the work. Now, let me show you my example. Here's my all-white look, and don't get me wrong, it's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it, but it feels a little bit unfinished, a little too safe, almost like I stopped styling halfway through. So let me show you 3 different ways I could fix this and actually restyle the same white pieces, but in a more elevated way. So option number 1, I simply swap the basic white t-shirt for something with more texture and a touch of color, and I swapped the neutral bag for a textured raffia bag, my favorite blue Ray-Ban sunglasses. Same skirt, same mood, but now the outfit has much more personality. Suddenly the eye has somewhere to go. Option number 2, I keep the basic white t-shirt but swap the skirt instead. I introduce a little bit of color, and of course I wrap my favorite long sleeve around my waist. It's one of my favorite styling tricks because it adds such a unique chic touch to an outfit. I'll show you this long sleeve a little later. It's so good. And immediately the outfit feels more interesting, more intentional. And option number 3, I don't change the clothes. I keep the exact same white t-shirt and blue skirt, but I add accessories, a statement pendant as my main accessory. Sunglasses, a bag, and just like that, the outfit starts telling a story. And that's exactly my point. It's not the all-white color palette that creates chic outfits. White doesn't magically make us stylish. It's the shape, it's the texture, the color, and accessories. And by the way, the blue textured t-shirt and both skirts are from SelfWho, and I absolutely love how much interest and personality these pieces bring to a summer wardrobe. They're fun, they are easy to style, and they remind me that getting dressed should feel joyful, not like a complicated project. Now, let's look closer at this amazing long sleeve. It was actually the same piece wrapped around my waist in the previous look. And yes, welcome back, Elena in skinny jeans. Listen, I'm not saying skinny jeans are forbidden, but personally, when it comes to summer outfits, I've moved away from anything too tight and clingy, because when you are still wearing the skinny jean silhouette, no matter how chic the top is, the outfit starts to feel a bit tense, a bit uncomfortable, and honestly, a little dated. So my fix here is super simple. I keep the same top, the same shoes, similar bag, and simply swap the skinny jeans for a straight, relaxed cut. And just like that, the outfit starts to breathe. It feels more effortless, more modern, and frankly, much more comfortable. And that's the beauty of it. Sometimes you just need a little more air around the body, and these jeans have incredible fabric. It's lyocell and cotton blend, a perfect mix for summer. I'll link them down below in the description box along with this amazing striped top that I love so much. And just look how the dated cut of these jeans completely changes the outfit. Same top, same shoes, different jeans, but the difference is huge. And the last one for today, since we're talking about denim. So denim is such a classic and conventional fabric, and because of that, experimenting with denim design is surprisingly difficult. The problem is so many high street brands end up creating these Frankenstein pieces. I can walk into pretty much any shopping mall and find dozens of these monsters. And for this chapter, I found these denim shorts. And at first glance, you might think, well, they have a nice tailored cut, but I wouldn't say so. First of all, these pleats. Denim is a stiff fabric, so instead of creating elegant drape, they add a surprising amount of volume around the tummy area. And the fabric belt adds another layer of volume. Well, let's just say no to these shirts, okay? So if you want a tailored pleated silhouette, I'd say go with the classics. A pair of classic off-white shorts is such a wardrobe staple. And then, because apparently this long sleeve has become the star of today's video, I'm bringing it back as my favorite styling trick. I can wear it around my waist, or I can wear it the traditional way, and honestly, no matter how I style it, the outfit immediately feels more modern, more unique, and much more interesting. Because sometimes it's not the fabric that's the problem, it's trying to force the fabric into a design it was never meant to become. And as we wrap up today's video, one important message I want to share with you. Don't chase trends. Don't chase formulas. Chase the little styling details that make you smile every time you catch your reflection. That's where personal style really begins. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. You know the drill. Follow me here on YouTube. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I can see you. You are still sitting there in front of your screen, which means you are ready to watch another video. My recommendation would be my 10 summer wardrobe heroes, the pieces that make everything else in my closet work better. So that was video about my 10 must-have pieces for summer styles, and I'll prove you why they work and why I believe that these pieces are a must for your summer styles. Click, click, see you there.